Excellency, it's always a pleasure for Mauritius to welcome you. Maybe some words of your meeting with the Prime Minister.
Well, Mauritius is for us a fundamental partner. Mauritius is a country totally committed to multilateralism and to the UN. Mauritius is a small island, developing states, and these are our most important priorities from the point of view of climate action and adaptation, and from the point of view of the reform of the international financial system for middle-income countries that are penalized by their vulnerability to be effectively supported. So we have a very close cooperation with Mauritius in these reforms. And then Mauritius is also a fantastic example of democracy and good governance that I believe is a lesson for so many others.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. C'est un camarade de longue date, je connais M. Antonio Guterres depuis ici dans International Socialist. Depuis ça, nous connaissons nos camarades très bien. Et tout le temps, déjà, vous donne bon advice. D'ailleurs, comme journaliste, il y a un premier visionnement et il décide pour avoir, pour avoir M. Ton pour des questions accidents, etc. Et qui finit, il fait un bon programme. Il peut suivre.